If you want to trade tokens with a lot of volume, go to Robinhood chain. That is where the volume is right now. In the last 7 days or thereabout, there is a lot of volumes, there is a lot of trading volume on that particular chain. We all remember that the chain came to life the 1st of July 2026, and ever since then, a lot of volume has been coming on the chain. Now, if you know you want to trade tokens on Robinhood chain, just go and download their wallet, because you can find their wallet on Play Store, Apple Store right now, and on that wallet you can easily find tokens curated on the chain, and you are going to see the gainers, you are going to see the losers, you are going to see the one that is having a lot of volumes and the rest. Now, let me take you to Robinhood non-custodian wallet and show you how to navigate the wallet, and if you want to trade there, how you will be able to trade there. Now, let's go. Now, look at it. This is Robinhood wallet. You can see the symbol here. Look at it. So you can get it on Play Store and you can download it. Now, let me open it. Now, once you register, this is the interface. So this is how it's going to look. Now, if you want to fund the wallet, just click on fund. Then you can deposit BTC, USDC, Ethereum, or Tether. This is USDT. You can also buy. You click here, you'll be able to buy the token, or you click this area. See, then you select the network. Which network? If you want to buy Ethereum, you click, or you can come to here to select the network straight away. So you click. This is a Robinhood chain. Then these are the token you can buy on the chain. So it's better you select a Robinhood chain. So make sure you buy Ethereum. Then you can just type whatsoever you want to buy. Now let's go back. That is not the actual place we are going. Now you can click here to do one or two settings. You want to back up your if you want to back up your seed phrase, you click here. You want to do one or two settings, you can click on these settings and do a push notification and others. Now let's go back. Okay, let me briefly show you this. If you want to withdraw, you see, you can withdraw here, or you can swap. Maybe you want to swap your Ethereum to BNB. You want to swap, so you can do a lot of swapping here. Now let's go back to home page. Here on this home page, you are going to see a lot of trending token. You can use see trending token. Then just simply click. You can click this discover more. Look at discover more at the bottom. Click discover more. Once you click on this discover more, then you'll be able. It's going to appear like this. Particularly if you are using mobile. You are going to see the tokens that are trending. All these tokens you are seeing here, they are created on the Robinhood chain. Yeah. Now you see the gainers. Look at the gainers. You see the gainers. You see the top losers, the volume, and the market cap. Now you can filter out tokens here by clicking on gainer or losers or volume or market maker. If you are looking for tokens with the highest volume, then you simply click on volume. To see more, you click here. So when you click here, that is when you'll be able to see many other tokens that are just coming, not only the blue chip assets. So you can see other tokens that are having highest volume. But for meme token, you want to trade meme token, so let's simply click on the gainers. So once you click on the gainer, that is when you'll be able to see all these tokens, particularly meme token. Look at this token now. This $1 is all you need. This token was created yesterday. You can check it out. You see how this token is actually moving. It was created on Robinhood chain. Now here you can see the market cap. When I saw it about 5 minutes ago, it was a 24 million market cap. Now you see the top wallet, how many percentage they hold. As you can see the circulating supply, 1 billion circulating supply, maximum supply 1 billion. You see 24 hours volume 11.03 M, and if you fully diluted, you see fully diluted. You see the number of fully diluted, and the market cap, the top holder over 3,000, and you see the age. That is approximately 1 day, even less than 1 day. That is, you see the symbol. Now, if you want to check the chain, which chain the token was on, which token the token curated, look at this place. Let me show you very well. So you click here. Even looking at the symbol you see, then you click on that drop down arrow, you'll be able to see. You can see it. You see the Robinhood. So that is it. That's how to know. Now, if you want to send, you can click here to send. So because I don't have it, let's assume I have it on this wallet, I can send. If I want to buy, I will click here. Let's assume I have deposited Ethereum here. I will be able to buy this particular token. So they have curated their wallet, and this is their wallet. You can see Robinhood chain network fee are covered. Yeah, you click on OK. Then let's assume I have Ethereum here. You can see it's Ethereum. So I will be able to buy, maybe I want to buy $10. I want to buy, see, it's telling me that I don't have enough Ethereum. So let's go back. This is actually how you can use Robinhood, not custodian wallet, to trade, to buy token. So if you click here again, you can still check out those one, the top losers. You can check the top losers. Look at the top losers. All these tokens were created on the Robinhood chain. Look at it. Some of us that are trading meme token, we should be familiar with most of these tokens. Yeah, all of this one, they are top losers. And you see the percentage. The percentage, some of them, this one has lost 25%, 23%. Now, let's check out this particular one. You see, you can see this one. You see how much this particular token has retraced in the last 1 month. Let's click on live. Okay, you can see it live. Now, in the last 1 hour, it has retraced by 5.24%. Yeah, here you are going to see the data, the token data, the complete token data, as I explained the other ones. You are going to see everything. And if you want to copy contract address of the token, maybe you want to go to another platform to trade, this is where to copy the contract address. Just simply click here. You can see the contract address has been copied to the clipboard. Yeah, so this is how to navigate this Robinhood wallet. Yeah, this is how to navigate it. So yeah, and if you are coming across my video, you want to learn how to trade cryptocurrency, just get in touch with me. Or you want to learn, because there are other things that is actually making waves right now that many people are getting in. And so many cryptocurrency, so many people in cryptocurrency, they are not paying attention to is a liquidity provision. If you know how to provide liquidity, I can tell you you are going to cash out a lot. So that is the area many people are not exploring. So if you want to learn how to be a liquidity provider, you can get in touch with me. So I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. I will hold you by hand, and I can tell you it's more reliable than meme token trading. Mind you, this is not a financial advice, so you must be intentional if you want to trade meme token. Yeah, get in touch with me for anything you want to learn about cryptocurrency Web3. Anything you want to learn about Web3, cryptocurrency, DeFi, among others. Thank you.